Welcome back to the Elementor add-on. So to build a consistent WooCommerce product layout in Elementor, XPRO Addon gives you many free dynamic WooCommerce widgets. In the last video, we styled the Woo product title, Woo description, and Woo image widget by XPRO Addon. And today we'll focus on the WooCommerce Product Price widget by XPRO Addon. This dynamic widget automatically fetches the correct price for each product and keep your design consistent across all your products. So let's style it out. First, make sure to install and activate the XPRO Addon and XPRO Theme Builder plugin. Both are free. So in XPRO Theme Builder, go to the page where you are designing your single product layout. Now drag and drop the XPRO Addon WooCommerce Product Price widget onto the page. And as soon as you drop it, it will automatically fetch the price or the price range that you set for your product in WooCommerce, especially if you're using product variation with different prices. Now let's style it. Go to the Style tab. First, go to the Typography and choose the font you like. Then adjust the size and weight based on your design. You can also use options like Transform, Style, and Decoration if you want to customize the look further. Now, go to the colors and give your price a color that matches your design. Now let's talk about sale price. In my case, if you see, this product has variations and each variation has a different price. So even if I add the sale price is not showing here. But if you have a simple product, for example, I have here, and then you set a sale price, it will appear here like this. And the original price will be cut, and you can style the sale price separately using these controls like color and typography. Anyways, I will stick with my current design. This is how you can style your product price to match your design. Now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we will set up the Add to Cart widget by XPRO Addon.